Hey, I'm Emmy, and in this video I want to ask you for some drawing suggestions. If you're an artist, you might have experienced art block before. Having an art block at some point is normal. You just don't have any inspiration anymore and feel like you want to draw something but keep making up excuses or start to overthink. What helps me sometimes is looking at older drawings. For those of you who haven't been following my channel, I teach others how to draw realistic portraits, and recently I started painting with watercolors. I have been creating new video lessons consistently each week for my courses, but I still feel like I'm having an art block when I want to draw something for myself. I love drawing portraits from a reference photo to capture the emotion of someone. When I draw, my goal is never to copy the reference 100%. I don't draw hyper-realistic drawings. My goal is to use the reference as a guide to create the same likeness and capture the emotion of the person in the photo. I still want my artwork to look like a drawing and not a picture. Now, I want to ask you if you have any ideas for me to draw. Whenever I search for something new on Pinterest, I just keep on scrolling and scrolling, so I need your help to pick out something for me. In this video, I'm going to draw from this reference photo that I let my son pick out for me. Now, I want to keep challenging myself and continue drawing because it's always good to draw regularly and keep on practicing. So if you have any ideas for the next drawing, please let me know in the comments below. I enjoy these drawings where I can just draw for myself. I don't have to think about teaching and sharing my thoughts out loud. I love teaching, don't get me wrong. I love to see what other artists create after following my video lessons, but drawing for yourself, music in the background, and getting lost in the process is something very beautiful. I have also noticed that when I want to start a new drawing, I find all kinds of excuses, but once I finally start, I just keep on going, and after a break, I notice I can't wait to continue and finish the drawing. So the hardest part is to start and have the inspiration to know what to draw. If I draw regularly, I find it easier, but whenever I take a longer break, it's more difficult to get back to it. So if you're an artist and ever experienced an art block before, let me know if you have any tips. Let's help each other. I also hope I can inspire you with this video, so if you haven't been drawing for a while, all you need to do is start. The rest will come. Now, if you have any interesting ideas for me to draw next, don't forget to comment below. I would love to hear them.